In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for customer support. This is a quick way to generate helpful responses to common customer questions. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a customer support response. For example, I might type, "Write a reply to a customer asking about a delayed shipment." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a professional response, usually including an explanation and a polite closing message. If I want to customize the response, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the situation, tone, or company policy. For example, I might type, "Write a friendly response apologizing for a delayed order and providing an update." Claude can also help create multiple response templates for different customer support situations. Once the message looks good, I can copy the text and use it when responding to customers. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to help with customer support responses. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.